Make wooden coasters. Easy beginner project. Welcome back to our channel, DIY enthusiasts. Did you know that wooden coasters are one of the most versatile and popular items in the world of woodworking? Not only do they add a rustic charm to any room, but they also make for an easy and satisfying beginner project. If you've ever felt daunted by the prospect of woodworking, fear not. This project is the perfect opportunity to ease into the craft, allowing you to create something both useful and beautiful right from the comfort of your own home. Embarking on your woodworking journey can be exciting, but it often comes with a few common hurdles. Many beginners wonder about the right materials and tools to use, or get overwhelmed by the choices available. Today, we're here to break it all down for you in a simple, accessible way. By the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to tackle this project with confidence and creativity. The first step in any woodworking project is selecting the right materials. For coasters, the type of wood you choose can make all the difference. We recommend starting with softer woods like pine or cedar, which are easy to work with and readily available at most hardware stores. These woods require less effort to shape and sand, making them ideal for beginners eager to get started without purchasing expensive tools. Next up, let's talk about tools. Don't worry, you won't need an extensive tool collection to create these coasters. A basic toolkit will suffice, including essentials such as a saw, sandpaper, a drill, and some wood glue. If you have access to a sander or a jigsaw, those can also be a great help in achieving smooth edges and precise cuts. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your wooden coasters. Prepare your wood. Begin by cutting your chosen wood into even squares or circles, depending on your preference. Aim for dimensions around 5 inches across, the perfect size for a coaster. Sanding. Use sandpaper or a sander to smooth out all edges and surfaces. This step is crucial to ensure your coasters look polished and are safe to handle. 3. Shaping and detailing. For those feeling adventurous, try adding creative details such as rounded edges or carved designs. This is where your creativity can really shine. 4. Drilling and assembling. If you want to add cork backing to prevent slipping, drill small holes and secure the cork with wood glue. 5. Finishing touches. Apply a coat of wood, finish, or sealant to protect your coasters from moisture. Not only will this enhance their durability, but it will also bring out the natural beauty of the wood grain. And there you have it! Take a moment to admire your handiwork. There's unique satisfaction in completing a project like this, knowing you've created something special with your own hands. Wooden coasters aren't just functional, they serve as a testament to your growing woodworking skills and creativity. We would love to hear about your own woodworking journey. Did you encounter any challenges? How did your coasters turn out? Leave a comment below sharing your experience, any tips you discovered, or questions you might have. Feel free to explore our channel for more DIY projects that will surely inspire and empower your creative spirit. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned DIYer, there's always something new to learn and create. Thank you for joining us today on this woodworking adventure. We're thrilled to have had the chance to guide you through your first, or perhaps even your 100th project. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy crafting!